welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now we'll be doing a trailer reaction. This is for the upcoming Hindi film Ruhi, and this stars Rajkumar Rao, Janhvi Kapoor and Varun Sharma. Interesting cast, very interesting cast, but what intrigued me more was the director. It is being directed by Hardik Mehta, the same guy who directed Kamyab, which is one of the underrated films I feel of Bollywood. And another which is very interesting thing is that this is a horror comedy like Stree was, and it is being produced by the same production house that produced Stree. So I do not know if it is in the same universe or is it a completely different film, because there were certain talks that Stree is going to have a sequel. I am not really sure. So let's see what this trailer is about. Another horror comedy, which is great because we don't have many movies in this genre. So yes, let's see how the movie is overall looking with the trailer. Alright. I do trust Rajkumar Rao's choice though. Okay. This is releasing next month actually, na?
चुड़ैल है चुड़ैल और वहां पे मुड़िया पैरी
शादी वाले घर पे नजर रहती है उसकी। इधर दूल्हे की आंख लगी, उधर दुल्हन को जगह ले जाएगी वो।
Okay.
रूही जी क्या छुपन छुपाई खेल लिया हमारे साथ? रूही जी
और राजकुमार राव is
टोटला नहीं
awesome.
हूँ, मैं बस टा को टा बोलता हूँ। तगड़ सिंह ने टंग होके तगड़ी कमर पे तगड़ी बांध के टांग टकाई। अटकता नहीं एकदम से। खौफनाक सा आया है, कुछ करना पड़ेगा।
अब क्या है ये सब?
ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर।
हम नॉनवेज नहीं खाते।
सिर्फ अपने बारे में मत सोचो, जो खाती नॉनवेज वो तो खागी नॉनवेज।
She's possessed, I think.
क्या हो गया बाबा?
अरे बाबा का काम है भूत निकालना। निकलने के बाद किसमें घुस जाए, इसमें बाबा का कंट्रोल थोड़ी ना है।
क्या ब्लूटूथ ट्रांसफर चल रहा भूत का?
पलोड़ी तांत्रिक है,
ऐसा टिलिस्मानी पान बनाते ना, बिदर पान की पीक के साथ भूतनी बाबा के पीक दान में।
कौन?
मगई जोड़ा 780, कत्था भर के चूना कम सूखी सुपारी 2 लो।
क्या कर रहा? लेडी हल्क हो रही थी? 2 in 1।
बच्ची को चुड़ैल से मर रखी या चुड़ैल से पीछे छुड़ाना मुश्किल नहीं, असंभव है। मुड़िया पैरी से पीछा तभी छूटेगा जब लड़की की शादी होगी।
और शादी ना हुई तो
मृत्यु।
मुझे तो मोहब्बत होली भाई। अब अगर जे भी मुझे लव यू 2 करती ना तो पलट के जरूर देखेगी। पलट नहीं,
And she
Hello?
screamed.
नहीं।
Okay.
कितने क्यूट होंगे हमारे बच्चे।
Oh no. Varun Sharma's character has fallen in love with the ghost basically. Huh? So I think Ruhi is the Janhvi Kapoor's character. Ruhi is possessed by this witch, and Varun Sharma is in love with the witch, and Rajkumar Rao is in love with Ruhi. So okay, interesting. That was not too bad. That was quite interesting. That was quite interesting. And let's see how this movie fares, because I do trust Hardik Sharma. I'm saying Hardik Mehta. I do trust him because I've seen his directorial work, so I know probably the movie is going to be directed well. And this does have some sort of Stree vibes. It does have. Though the stories are not very similar, of course, they are very different. Though I do feel that they are also trying to get some sort of jump scares from this film as well. But what I feel is that the comedy is going to be a major part in the first half, and the second half sort of looks like mostly which is going to have the horror element. Otherwise, I think in the first half, from what I am guessing, and because Bollywood is sort of predictable, I am guessing is that there would be jump scare moments, and they will have their love story and all. And in the second half, majorly they're gonna try and get rid of this witch from Janhvi Kapoor's body. And in process, Varun Sharma gets he falls in love with the ghost. So okay, interesting. And this is going to be a really big test for Bollywood, because. This is, of course, this movie having a theatrical release, and the makers are going to see what are the collections going to be like. And of course, this sort of like a horror comedy movie makes sense to release it in theaters. But this is going to be a big litmus test for the Hindi film industry, because they will understand the sentiments of the audience. Now I think the makers have realized that, okay, after seeing what Master's response has been very positive in the theaters, so I'm sure they are hoping that Ruhi will also garner the same amount of crowd, the same amount of cash and box office collections for them. We will see, only time will tell, guys, only time will tell. What did you think of this trailer? I wouldn't say, oh my god, it completely blew my mind, because I remember when Stree trailer had released, I was really pumped to see that movie. This has gotten me intrigued because of Hardik Mehta and Rajkumar Rao. But yes, I will go with complete blank slate. I'm not gonna think anything. I'm just gonna watch this film and then decide. I will go with no expectations, basically. I will go with a blank slate. So yes, that was my reaction for the upcoming Hindi film Ruhi. This will release on March 11th. Let's see what the response is going to be. I'm very interested. I hope this movie turns out well, because of course when audiences put in their money to go and watch a movie, they never want to watch a bad movie. Every one of us wants to watch a good movie. So I hope this turns out well. All the best to the makers, all the best to the actors. Only time will tell. Alright guys, that's it from me today. I hope you have enjoyed this reaction. I've come till the end of the video. Do share in your thoughts. What is your prediction for this movie? I would love to know that. And yes, I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.